Wow, look at how smooth and even my skin is now. I can really see the difference.
Verification complete. Proceed to the docks.
Bay 4 is open now. Keep the line moving.
Davon Skantiye, Yagati da di team Gathachate, Vipise. Izanet Apinil Fangs of Decisions of Hanikam.
Olivia Herbal Bleach Cream containers secured. Labels verified.
Confirmed. Moving to production unit now.
Climbing steady now, almost 50 degrees.
70 is the target. Looks good.
As the reactor maintains a stable temperature, the high-speed agitation ensures the perfect emulsion.
The viscosity is holding steady at 5,000 centipoise.
Good. The uniformity index is perfect. We can approve the batch.
The levels are stable at 7.00.
Adjusting the flow rate slightly to maintain consistency.
The pressure looks stable in the green zone.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimal.
Look at this reading on the dashboard here. The flow is perfect.
Yes, and the gauges confirm the consistency.
We reached the targeted temperature. It's perfectly stable now.
Excellent work.
Sample A consistent. Sample B also at 100%.
Looks good across the board.
The batch data looks fully compliant here.
Confirmed. All tests pass the threshold.
Ready for approval, sir.
Active ingredient, lot number 4R7.
Scanning now. Confirmed. Parameters are within spec.
Check the flow rate on 743B.
Stable at 0.2 liters per minute. Green light confirmed.
Look at the consistency metrics here. Optimal reading. The infusion is almost complete.
System status reads active and fully sealed.
Acknowledged. Noted in the log.
Trường lạc sử dụng xin nhận kênh bẹp thanh người ní thật phạt. Sẻng thốc đi sống nơiผีผังทาเธอหน้าคมล้อมด่านพื้นใส่ดิ้งขาไทย
Everything aligns with the specifications, Doctor.
Confirmed. We can sign off on this batch.
Batch 41XR transfer is steady.
The temperature curve is declining as expected.
The temperature is holding steady at 4 degrees.
Batch uniformity looks excellent. We can proceed.
The finished herbal bleach cream is held in these tanks, where our team verifies the batch codes against strict quality standards.
The temperature drop is consistent across all tanks now.
Yes, the system is stabilizing as expected.
Inside the cooling tank, the herbal bleach cream undergoes gentle agitation. The temp
Visually stable, smooth texture confirmed.
and the digital analysis confirms optimal consistency across the board.
metrics look solid. We had one reject, but the alignment sensor caught it immediately.
Good. Let's keep monitoring the torque levels.
We need the next pallet for Bay 4. Is the manifest ready?
Yes, everything's scanned and verified. Go ahead and seal it up.
Control room, this is gate security.
Olivia, shipment dispatch confirmed.
All clear.
We're seeing excellent stability data here.
Confirmed. The Olivia batch is holding up perfectly at 40 degrees.
Patch simulation tests are conducted to assess skin compatibility, ensuring the formulation is safe for topical application under controlled conditions.
Fragrance stability is assessed to ensure consistency. All evaluated parameters contribute to final batch approval for release.
The viscosity changes align with the separation data under these conditions.
Agreed. The integrity is compromised earlier than expected.
Batch 7 Rama is approved. Please archive the physical dossier immediately.
Once finalized, products are received into our climate-controlled warehouse, where automated systems
Gate 1, Alpha 7, seal verified. Cleared for exit.
The distribution network is initiated. From the factory floor, Olivia Herbal Bleach Cream is now en route to regional hubs across the country.
CA45, take the bypass immediately. Confirmed the shipment is back on schedule.
Wow, look at how smooth and even my skin is now. I can really see the difference.
From raw materials to mixing and quality testing, every step of the Olivia Herbal Bleach Cream life cycle is meticulously managed.
From raw herbal ingredients to the mixing reactors, our advanced facilities ensure the highest quality.